The best shower doors to overhaul your bathroom. Be it a contemporary or a traditional bathroom, shower doors can be a great addition. They look great and make the bathroom look open. These doors are heavy-duty and sturdy and make the bathing area exclusive in any bathroom. Most shower doors are splash, water, and rust resistant. They have a special coating that prevents hard water and soap buildup. You will find shower doors of various dimensions, colors, finishes, and styles, making it difficult to find the right one. We have created a list of the best shower doors to help you decide. Number 1. Best Anti-Splash Woodbridge Sliding Glass Shower Door. Available in stainless steel material, the shower doors from Woodbridge are long-lasting and built from premium materials. The thick tempered glass is ANSI-certified, and you can easily clean it. It is resistant to water spots, and the large stainless steel rollers offer a smooth and quiet sliding. The glass has an ultralux coating to combat the hard water buildup. This item has a high gloss finish, frameless, and has a reversible design. Easy to install, rust-free and anti-splash. 56 to 60 inch width adjustable, 76 inch height, door width, 32 3/4 inch, walk-in 26.5 inches. The stainless steel top guide bar can be trimmed up to 4 in for width adjustment. High-quality stainless steel hardware ensures a sleek rust-free finish and will not rust chips or scratches. Number 2. Best Adjustable Basco Classic Semi-Frameless Sliding Shower Door. Basco's semi-frameless shower door is available in silver, brushed nickel, and oil-brushed bronze. This door has a special glass protection coating that repels spotting, soap film, and mineral deposits. It has a slotted roller that allows easy out-of-square adjustment. The door includes 2 bumpers on the wall to jam protect the glass. You can also apply this glass door to tile shower bases and fiberglass. The anti-jump mechanism of the door delivers a seamless and smooth operation. This item is adjustable and reversible. High-quality tempered safety glass, anti-corrosion fade and gentle slope. Number 3. Best Reversible Dreamline Aqua Ultra Hinged Frameless Glass Shower Door. Available in chrome, brushed nickel, satin black, and oil rub bronze, this shower door has one stationary panel and a swing door to fit small bathrooms. The thickness of the glass is 5/16 inches, and it is frameless, clear, thick, and has a curved design with a European flair. Items are open concept design and reversible, have anodized adjustments and include a towel bar. Stunning and modern with a European flair, the Dreamline Aqua Ultra Frameless Shower or Tub Screen transforms your bathroom with an open, elegant and inviting feel. Number 4. Best Doorless Design Goodyo Shower Door. Made from aluminium alloy and glass, this thick tempered glass has a black paint finish and a stainless steel bar. During installation, silicone is required, and you have to screw the door panel to the wall. The 4 glass panels have to be fitted in the black matte frame. All the hardware required for installation is included in the set. Number 5. Best Rust-Proof Delavin Frameless Sliding Tub Door. With an adjustable width, this shower door glass gives you easy access to the shower area and the tub. You can easily use the right and the left doors. The glass is ANSI-certified and stands strong against damage. It also has an explosion-proof film on the glass door to prevent breakage and scattering. This door has an easy 3-step installation, and you do not need to drill holes in the bathtub. This item prevents leaks and splashes. Rust-proof. Zinc rollers move smoothly. Stainless steel handle. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, does check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products, as it will make your life much easier.